So what do we mean about price mechanism? Well, price mechanism is also known as the market system, and it performs two important functions: price determination and resource allocation. Price determination. The market system determines the price paid for goods. It's where buyers and sellers communicate with each other and discuss the price to be paid for some goods. Sellers often want more than the buyers are prepared to pay, and this is where prices are haggled. However, in many shops, prices are already displayed, and if buyers don't want to pay the price, then they'll go without or they'll go shop elsewhere. If goods remain unsold, then the seller will realise that they need to reduce the price or they won't be able to sell the goods. Resource allocation. The market system can help to allocate resources because resources such as raw materials, machinery and workers flow into thriving markets and out of declining markets. In thriving markets, prices rise. Sellers make profits, which attract more sellers, resulting in more resources being required. In declining markets, prices fall, which results in sellers leaving the market and the release of resources that they would have used.